Yo, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What I'm expecting off the open, it's if we tap the 4-hour optimal, we can see a little pop into the zone here, which is right at the 50%. The Fed speaker is speaking right now, so that's something to remember. Um, Fed speaking, it's not something really, I mean, it's good because it'll add volatility to the market, but it's not good because it's uncertain what they can say. So just be careful this morning. Unless he's done speaking, but he started speaking at 8. And then we have ISM manufacturing at 9 in 30 minutes. But I want to see a pop into the zone before I continue a short. We're currently in sells from on the premium chat, but before we continue short more, I want to see a nice retracement because we already broke the hourly low. Right, we already broke the hourly low, and we already rejected the 30,300 psych level. I just need to see ES break this low here, and that'll be the cherry on top if we can get that. Nice, 220 on these QQ puts. I'm selling some of them. What a beautiful average. I really hope no one panicked, bro. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ad. That's how you fucking make money. You be confident in yourself, you believe in the larger time frame, and you make money. See how we're holding that low on ES here, right? So let's see if the 5-minute can at least, continue lower here. I got to see at least a 15-minute break below here, because this is a double bottom. This can just be a sweep and then it could bounce off. Since we are at the 4-hour premium, right, that's a good area to manage your QQ puts if you took them with me. It can be a nice area to bounce to retrace the zone here that we're talking about. All right, here. Nice, psychedelic. Nice. Where are you taking me, bro? Beautiful, bro. Easy money. All you guys have to do is be confident. Imagine I had 45 contracts. Fucking insane. So why being patient is nice, because look at this first 5 minutes up 100 points, down 100 points. Just be careful. Yesterday we waited an hour and a half. We can wait. We have no reason to rush anything. We can always wait. He wants to sell off. Yep. Joey, first focus on futures and getting payouts from futures and trying to go into options. If you don't have 10K to play with, don't even bother looking into options. What a nice sell-off. We're going to target the 4-hour. Nice. 280 on these QQ puts here, guys. 290. Nice. 310. 320. This thing is printing. I'm gonna let these run. I'm gonna let them run to the previous day low. Everyone thought I was crazy shorting that yesterday, but like I said, off the daily time frame, this was a retracement. They do that. They manipulate the up move to trap the bulls and boom, bag them. Look at this shit, bro. We're about to be in the money on QQ. Well, good spy. Overnight loads right here on ES. I'm watching it here. As we did break the overnight lows on ES, we can just continue lower here. We don't have to pop to retest. So I want to watch this on the 1 minute here. Three minutes, okay. See, you can't get above that overnight low. We got 7 minutes for the 15 though, so let's see. It's the 1 minute retracement here. Can we get the 5 minute retracement? 202. Let's see how we react here. Reject this imbalance, stay below here. We'll be able to short it for continuation into the previous day low. I only see ES below the overnight lows, which is right here. Let's see. In the overnight low, so I'm gonna be a little bit more patient here. We either gotta get below it or we gotta retest the 5 minute. Alright, we now officially formed the order block here. See how it keeps holding the overnight low? Tap the imbalance. Let's see what happens here. Yeah. Trying. It's gonna be jacked. Yeah, gotta be disciplined inside the market and outside the market, bro. Cool, we just tapped into the 5-minute imbalance. Let's see if we can get the retracement of 50%. Damn, it feels like it's been like 20 minutes. It's only been 11 minutes. A lot has happened in 11 minutes. Come on, a little bit more push. Come on, just a little bit more. We actually can't get above this imbalance, which is good. I like that we can't get above that. On both ES and NQ, we don't even have to go for the 50%, because what could happen here is we can reject to cause the 15-minute break of the overnight lows on ES, which would be good. Let's see, how much time? 2.5 more minutes. Minute and a half. Let's see if we can break this. So it's not just a sweep of a double bottom. One minute left. Stays below this and breaks. Perfect. Stays below and breaks this. Cherry on top. The only thing is the risk up here, which would be roughly 260, 100 points. If we do break the 15, yeah, there's nothing to retest on a 15. Perfect. Okay, so let's see. You guys gotta come on. You guys gotta try a little bit, bro. You guys asking me cons. You gotta do the math. I can't give you guys everything. You gotta try a little bit. Come on. All right, we broke the 15. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try some cells here. Some starter cells here for me. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. 20 points. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oop. Excuse me. All right, let's see. For I'm gonna tell him smack 50 cons. Looks like he's gonna want the 5-minute retracement, but let's see. We broke the 15 minutes, so that's good here for confirmation. See if it gets the 5-minute retracement, and then we can let go from there. No, no, no. All right, ES just tapped the 50%. Let's see if NQ is gonna tap it as well. And this shit notified me late as hell. All right, we just tapped the 50% here. I'm gonna scale in here. I have a 3167 average. So I added some more contracts there. Actually, this would be here. Beautiful body cell as well. Stay below the 200. Come on. Come on, stay below 200. This is gonna go for QQ daily open. I don't want it to, but QQ at daily open here. I just really hope it doesn't want to push into the 30-minute gap. That's something I really won't like. I mean, it could tap into the 30-minute imbalance, stay below the 5-minute high, then that'll be good, but it's a little more risk than I would want. But if I have to let it play on the larger time frame, I will. Just tap the 5-minute premium. We're at the daily open on QQ. Let's see if we can reject that here. It's a nasty 30-minute. And we have news in 7 minutes too, so. I don't. I trade MNQ, I chart NQ. What's this? Very volatile. Excuse me. We closed below the daily open on QQ, which is really good. SPY is approaching daily open, and that's going to be equivalent to ES and this little gap right here. Yeah, we have news in 5 minutes. Just massive ranges. Two minutes left for news here. Okay, ES is about to approach. ES just tapped the gap here. SPY just tapped daily open. There's a beautiful buy to sell on both QQ, SPY, ES, and NQ. Are we really surprised if we don't reject here? In case they come up with some bullshit, I'm gonna put a hard stop at 30,370. $30 seconds here. They're really gonna want to come and tap this fucking 30-minute gap. Yeah, it's the same as the hourly gap, so it makes sense, but What was the point of all this break here? And it gets us to fill some of this gap here. Let's see. News. See if the news does anything here. We just tapped the 30-minute 50%. This is fucking crazy. We don't have nothing else to retest here on ES. I'm not sure why we're still trying to push here on ES. The hourly optimal 30-minute optimal will be equivalent to daily and monthly open on ES. That's like the last line of defense there, bro. If it pushes up there. We're approaching daily open on QQ and SPY. QQ's rejecting and NQ's rejecting compared to ES and SPY here. Big divergence this morning. We broke the hourly low on SPY too, so interesting. We broke the hourly low. Buy and sell. Yeah, SPY held the daily open. We broke the low, so then yeah, we're right at the 50%. Big divergence here. Who's telling the truth and who's capping? Daily open on ES here. Fed speaker, he's done talking now. This is insane, bro. The hourly was fucking disgusting. All right, we just have to the hourly imbalance. Want to see rejection off of here, stay below the daily open, stay below this 5-minute high on ES, and we'll be good. Hence, if we break above those highs, I do not like it no more. Make or break here. Nice rejection off the hourly imbalance tap. Cool. We stay below the 5-minute high on NQ. We tap the hourly imbalance. We're gonna see this start pushing down now. This is good for us. SPY is also at the optimal now. I gotta start seeing this rejection, bro. Just ES is just capping. Sheesh, ES. What a fucking push on ES, man. We have 3 minutes left for this 15. Yeah, we need ES to reject off these highs here now. We're sweeping overnight highs here, so see if we get that rejection. That's fucking insane, man. Off the 4 premium, but we broke the hourly. Just makes no sense. Makes no sense that we don't reject here. Nice sweep of the overnight. And we're at the premium on SPY too. Yeah, we have to reject here, bro. This is interesting. Fucking ES. Like the 5 minute, just insanity. Sheesh. 40 seconds here. Nice rejection on NQ. We stay below the 5 minute high again on NQ. Setup is still valid. It's good though. I still want it to be valid because we stayed below. It's great. This is great. We just got to see a nice rejection here though. ES didn't close above overnight highs either on the 15, which is good. We just swept them. It's just a fucking massive range, bro. That's where conviction really comes to play here. ES is just strong in its own world. Yeah, it's crazy divergence, bro. Yeah, NQ did break the 1 minute. I'm not adding any more size yet though, until ES breaks. No point for me to add more risk without confirmation on ES when ES is trying to just continue higher. So just being safe. Better safe than sorry. I prefer writing out my size here, being confident writing it down to the lows. Here, here, then adding more just because I want a better average. It doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, good rejection. Stay below the 5 minute high. SPY at the premium. ES swept the overnight highs and closed below on the 15. I just got to see continuation here though. I can't get happy just yet. But it's going to be an all day long trade though, if I'm being honest. I can just probably set my hard take profits too. No, I'm still in my cells, bro. I'm still in my cells. Nothing has changed. It's all in the futures channel, guys. Come on. Yeah, ask questions that are entered into the channel, bro. NQ stay below the 5 minute high again. It's a big divergence between the two here, bro. Yeah, ES absolutely. Look, another close below the overnight highs. It's not making sense, bro. It's not making sense. We need ES to follow, bro. And we're right at the premium on SPY, bro. We're right at the premium. Yeah, they're trying to. Remember, this is all a larger time frame setup for me off the daily, off the 1 hour. So, we'll see. Fucking yes. Bro, you are funny as fuck. We're just chopping around now. We keep rejecting the 30,300 level here as well. And we keep staying below the 5-minute high, which is good. But damn, bro, how many times are we going to stay up here? Just let it go. Just ES is capping. Hope ES is just bull trapping here. crazy. For real, bro. Come on, yes, you gotta follow an NQ at some point here, baby. Come on. Another 5 minute below the high, but with a little bit of chop to it. Gotta get some momentum to the downside here. Come on, ES. You gotta show some weakness, bro. Jeez, man. Jeez. You already tapped into this gap here. What else do you want from me? What else do you want? Don't get it. Yes, I don't get it. Yes. There, show me that. Show me that weakness, but more times 10. Show me that shit times 10. Don't say that, Brandon. Okay, ES at the 1 minute low. It fucking held. The market is just fucking with me today. We need ES to break this. It's fucking insane, bro. I want to see something like this. I want something to happen like that. just random. Once it breaks the low, once ES breaks the low, I'll be happy as hell. 300-point drill. Yeah, for real. Bro, you gotta be fucking shitting me, man. What the hell, man? Oh my god, yeah, you're just toying with me. Okay, retest the imbalance and then break, and then nice momentum. Come on. I believe in you, ES. I believe in you. I promise. I've always believed in you, ES. Because the hourly still hasn't broken above. We got 27 minutes. Just sometimes, you know, larger time frame setups take a little bit longer. There we go. We're looking good. 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 20 seconds is a long time. You're back green, Fembam? You're tripping. See, look, I'm happy for you. Look, guys, I mean it when I say don't add just to add. You guys be adding to get a better average. You'll learn your lesson at some point. I know it sucks being down. You're like, I'll get out, break even. I smack heavy, you know? But I promise it doesn't always work out. We broke the low. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How much am I risking if I add a couple more contracts here? We did tap the hourly. We did reject on the 15. We did reject on the 5. We did break the low here for continuation. I don't want to leave any gap, so if we could possibly retest, I don't want it to, but if it does, then maybe we can. Yeah, see, now we got the shift. Now you can scale if you want. I'm gonna wait to see if we can get a tap here, then I can scale more, or I can just ride my original position. There's no reason for me to add any more risk. There's just no reason, guys. I know some of you guys do that shit to get a better feel. I promise you, it bites you back in the ass more times than it works out. I can assure you that. So please don't do it just because you want a better feel. Do it when you have confirmation. Yeah, same. I'm with 4, but I want to see. I mean, we did retest on ES, so we shouldn't have to pull back. But if we don't, I'm okay. I'm okay to ride my 4 to the low. Like, that's okay with me. It's gonna be 100 points for the first TP. Nice, beautiful rejection off the premium on SPY. The only thing I don't like is that we did break on the 30-minute of the overnight highs, but the hourly was still bearish. So let's see. And we did break this 5-minute internal low here on NQ. So that's pretty nice. Let's catch nice momentum here. We need to get below the daily open. It held it and bounced. We need below. So it's either we pop to retest, scale in, or get below daily open, scale in. 2 options here. Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's a massive manipulating move, but same way we can inverse this because the hourly imbalance still hasn't closed above either. The hourly is very important on ES. It looks like we win a lot, but on the hourly, nothing really has happened on ES. Nothing has shifted. Nothing has broken above. Nothing has closed above imbalance or anything. So small time frame, yes. Does it look deadly? Does it look fucking crazy? Yeah, but larger time frame, nothing has happened yet. So. And then, like I said, that was SPY's premium there. So if we didn't reject it already, I don't know. If we didn't reject her, then Brandon's gay. I mean, that's all I could think about. Let's see if we can get this continuation. It's not over for you. I don't like this balance off the daily open, bro. Let the bitch go. QQ is below daily open though, so that's good. QQ is below daily open, which is really, really good for us. We just need ES below daily open because SPY has a long way to go for daily open. But if we can get ES below daily open, that'll be the cherry on top. ES retesting the buy to sell here. We broke. Yes, no more funny business. Mm-hmm. Come on, QQ, stay below the daily. Yeah, what's a little imbalance, huh? Cool. ES is staying below. Good, 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 good. It's fucking ridiculous. 20 minutes for the hourly. Fuck. And Q's about to tap the imbalance, but QQ's slightly above daily open, so I would have to wait for a retest of that gap on NQ, and I would have to wait for QQ to below daily be below daily open if I want to add more size. There's a 5-minute imbalance here as well, so let's see. Nice rejection. Let's get below daily open QQ. Nice, nice rejection. Okay, we're getting below. We're getting below, we're getting below, we're getting below. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Come on, let's stay below. And we reject the 730 psych level. Let's see if we can get this close below daily open. ES stay below the high too, which is perfect. What do I want to see on QQ? 5-minute or 1 minute? Yeah, I got at least a 5-minute, or if it breaks the 1-minute low right here, then we fucking do it. Come on, baby, come on, come on. I've been waiting for literally a whole hour. You got this, Sam. You got this. No, why'd you add 4, Sam? You're tripping. Yeah, larger time frame, baby. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Get below daily, open QQQ. Break that 1 minute low. Cherry on top, and we fucking slide. Imagine this. QQ breaks a 1 minute low, stays below the daily open. ES gets below daily and monthly open. That's like all boxes checked out, and there's a high confidence setup. Let's see if it's gonna retest this imbalance here on ES and then catch the momentum down. There you go. Come on. Come on, ES, catch the momentum down, baby. God, ES, what are you doing? ES is just fucking with us. This divergence between the two is so crazy today. I was gonna say so insane, but so crazy. Wow, what a fucking divergence. Nice rejection on ES. Okay, QQ's at the low. 10 seconds. Did it break it? Oh, it fucking hell, but it's okay. It's okay. Come on, ES, get below the daily open. No adding yet. No adding yet. We are below daily open on QQ, but the women didn't break, so don't add just yet, guys. Please be patient. Please wait for my confirmation. Wow, we're break even. Oh my god. Don't panic either. Don't sell break even. You need to wait a whole hour just to fucking sell break even. Cool, cool, cool. Let's continue to get below this. Come on. Get below. Get below. Catch the momentum, ES. Beautiful. 18 points. Come on. I want lower though. I didn't wait a whole fucking hour and a half for 18 points. Alright, we're at daily open here. Going to go break even here. Actually, no, you know what? I'm gonna sell some. I'm gonna sell some here just because we're at the daily open, but and 20 points here. I'm gonna sell some now. Boom. Beautiful. Cool. Alright. What a fucking recovery. Now I ride these. I ride the ones I have left to the lows. It's a risk-free trade for me, and if it doesn't work out, if it stops me out break even, I'm still in profits on the day. I'm gonna be in profits, deep in profits. What a fucking comeback. Oh my god. It moved my average to 31.90 since I sold some. 31.90 is my average, so I'm currently up 60 points on that. What a beautiful fucking trade. That shows you conviction, patience, and that you need to believe that the larger time frame leads. I know it can be scary. I feel bad for the person who sold it at $1,000 loss. Now, I don't feel bad because I tell you guys all the time, Stop looking at your P&L. Stop looking at your money. You guys knew the stop loss was close above the 5-minute high. If you guys are stopping solely off of money, how much money you're down, you're never going to succeed. The trade never got invalidated. It was tricky. That's what it does. That's how it stops out people. So if you were that person that you sold for 1,000, I mean, I can't help you. You got to help yourself. Okay. That's something you gotta work on within yourself. And I'm sorry, but it's just how it is, man. It's the market. Like literally, you sold the top. You stopped out at the top, which made no sense. It never broke above. But I'm green on the day. Wow, that was fucking spooky. That was fucking scary. That was scary, huh, guys? Didn't sell. See that I told y'all last time too. Stop with that fucking daily loss limit bullshit. Y'all don't listen to me. Y'all think these proverbs are helping y'all with the daily loss limit. They're not helping you guys. They do it to fuck you guys. I mean, at least you still have the account, bro. But these are things that you have to. I tell you guys, and you guys gotta listen. I can't stress myself. I can't add more pressure. That's already pressure me trading by myself. Then there's already pressure me live trading in front of all of you guys. Then there's pressure of you guys asking me questions as I'm live trading. Imagine you're trading and people are asking you questions while you're trying to trade and focus on your own trade. So me telling you, and this is the last time I tell you guys, get rid of the fucking daily loss limit and stop panicking off of the amount of money and trade the fucking trade in front of you. Simple as that. And I don't mean it in a bad way. Yes, am I cursing to you guys? Yeah, I'm just fed up of you guys doing the same mistakes over and over. And you guys aren't learning. You have to learn from your mistakes. And this is my last time trying to help you guys. I promise I will no longer help people that don't want to be helped. It's not a fucking coincidence. It's not the same thing that, Jordan hits all the time, or we end up coming back green, or we end up making money. It's not a coincidence. It fucking happens all the time. We're so consistent. Why? Because I focus on larger time frame setups. I focus on higher confidence setups. I'd be confident in those larger time frame setups because I know that larger time frame holds more value. So what do? I connect my smaller time frame with my larger time frame. What did I do here? I connected my 4-hour time frame with my hourly setup, with my 15-minute setup, with my 30-minute setup, and with my 5-minute setup. My 5-minute high never got validated. So what was the point of me panicking? Never came to break above, and I knew that we had a gap on the 30. I knew we had a gap on the hourly, and I knew we broke the hourly low. So for me, this was confirmation that we continue to the downside, and this was to trap the bulls. I don't want to say I know everything, but I've seen these patterns, I've seen these setups over and over and over again, and it's why I'm so confident. That's why I tell you guys too, fanbum, this is for you too. You're laughing and you think it's good that you added and you made money, bro. I mean it sincerely, bro. Not just you, but if anyone did this, stop fucking scaling in just to scale in because you want a better average. This is the last time I'm gonna tell you guys. You guys keep doing that, you're gonna fuck around, you're gonna find out soon. It's not always going to work out. I'm gonna tell you that. Just because you have a better fill does not mean shit. At the end of the day, if you have a better fill, you're now risking way more money than you were with your original fill. So please, guys, listen, and wait for confirmation. I can't keep stressing these same mistakes. Like, I'm trying to help you, but you don't allow me to help you. Then how am I gonna help you guys? I want you guys to succeed. You think I like seeing you guys lose money? Fuck no. I hate when we lose money. I'm happy seeing you guys make money, but at this point now, it's like we're 7 months in. I'm getting tired of the same fucking shit over and over, telling you guys what to do, what not to do. And if you guys aren't listening, then I'm just gonna focus on the people that do want to listen and do. I mean, I don't. You know what? I'm just finishing with this. Look at the people posting the payouts consistently. They fucking listen. They listen to what I say. They were my mentees. They listen to what I say every single day. How come is it? Ask yourself. How come I'm not getting payouts? Ask yourself that. How come I'm not getting payouts? Why? Oh, because I'm not charting every night. Oh, because I'm not listening to Jordan. Oh, because I'm just thinking he's bullshitting me and telling. No, bro. It's you. You are the problem. I'm not. I'm helping you guys and my fucking mentees and the people posting payouts. What do they do? What's one thing they all do at this together? Is listen to Jordan. That's it. That's it. That's all I can say. That's how I'm gonna finish it with. Everything else, fuck every other bullshit. Just look at the payout flex. You guys will see it, and you guys will see who's consistent. And ask them. Don't even ask me. Ask them. Hear from them. What are they doing differently? That's it. Simple as that. You were down 900. Probably was on like one something. Yeah, this shit was insane. But I mean, finish green. That's all that fucking matters for me. Yeah, full pour all my trades. Fucking do it. I mean, I'm not responsible for it. JV still holding with a 153 fill. What do you think I should do? I mean, Brendan, you heard me say I sold some, and you heard me say to move my stop break even, and it moved me up to 190. I mean, it's really up to you, bro. I don't know, Brendan. I don't know how to help you. Like, I gave you the answer the whole time, so I really don't know, bro. I don't know what you want me to say. You want me to tell you stay in? Is that what you want to hear from me? Is that what you want? No, I'm not gonna do it. So you could decide what you want to do, bro. I've been in here 2 weeks ish, 3 days away from payout. Nice, bro. Take it slow, Joey. So you didn't trim any at all, Brendan. That's what I'm here. I mean, you know where the risk is at. You know your 5 minute high is your risk. So if you can afford to lose it, do it. And QQ is retesting the daily open here, so we should see continuation lower. ES hasn't broken above the high either. I just don't like that ES keeps holding the monthly and daily open. That's why I'm not trying to short here again. I need to wait for confirmation on ES because ES is on its own world. ES is trying to do its own thing, so I'm just really waiting for the break below that daily and monthly open because NQ and QQ already gave me the confirmation, but I need it on ES and SPY now. And there's no point for me to put more risk on anymore when I just came back green on the day when there's no confirmation on ES. He's rapping right now. I'm fucking dead. Alright, YouTube, y'all bank too. Flex, okay. Yeah. I was break even the whole time. So you never. So what was your original fill, and then what was your fill when you scaled in, Brendan? Yep, that's the plan. I'm done for the day. Take care. Yeah, see you tomorrow, bro. Beautiful trade. Were you able to update? I didn't even look at the chat. That was beautiful though. We got about 30 points. That's something a lot of you guys struggle with, man. A lot of you guys struggle with whatchamacallit, a lot of you guys struggle with actually trading, like actually knowing what to do, but that's because you guys are fucking signal bots. You guys aren't trying to learn. You guys, I mean, you know what? Fuck it. You pay me regardless. So if you want to be a signal bot, cool. But don't expect me to give you every answer if you're not trying to learn for yourself. So if you know you're gonna be a signal bot, you're like, I'm just gonna do exactly as he says. Fuck it. Then cool, right? But don't ask me no questions about, damn, where is it? What do I do? What? No, motherfucker. Because if you wanted to learn, Brandon, we're staying below this high here, so those sales are still pretty good here. There's just EA Sports to the game. QQ stayed below the daily open too, so that's good. It looks like it wants to stay below the 200 level. But alright, YouTube, I am going to end the stream, so thank you guys for joining. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.